Hello YouTube, this is Stefan. I just wanted to show you, what I did to my Voyager. I got a droid. I'm actually filming with it right now. And, this was my old phone, this piece of crap LG Voyager in titanium. And, I decided to gut it. So, yeah. When you say that's a better camera than it had, huh? Better than this droid, for sure. It's like a window into the world. But yeah, actually, even though I kind of gutted the device, the keyboard still lights up if I can get it to work. See, here it is. Still lights up. It's insane. You know, these LG devices are pieces of shit, but you gotta give them credit for sticking it to the end. And here's this screen. So you can see the speakers are attached to it if you want to see what's inside of here. Yeah. And back is still intact. Didn't really get out the other half of the phone. See? Completely intact. Alright, that's about it. See you guys in the video.